Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen that currently it is moving continuously down. Okay, and if you first important thing that you have to see that this is the particular range. Okay, and this is from the third week of March we have seen a swing at this particular level. Okay, and from there we have seen it is continuously going down. Look at this particular one. It has already made a low of around 18.109. okay, now looking at the chart, what we can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down because it has already broke this particular range. Okay, now if we go previous means around 4-5 years back, we can see that this is the range it was moving in. Okay, after crossing this particular zone, it has moved in this particular zone. Now again it has broke this particular zone. So what we can see, like this, an uptrend we have seen, we can downtrend also for this particular silver. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding silver, mail us at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical works, and a Telegram link also I have given in the description, you can join. See, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can move to a level of 18.084. okay, and if that level also goes down, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 17.300 or 225. okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 16.653, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can touch a level of 15.865. again I repeat, suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see a level of 18.084, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 17.655, and once this level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 16.867, and from there we can see a level of 16.653. once if it goes below that particular level, a probability of touching 15.923 is very high, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 15.221. okay, and once the price goes below this level, then it will, in the probability of moving further down will be very high. Now understand something. Suppose if you are, because we can see a swing at this particular level, you have to understand something, that market cannot move in one direction like this. If it has to come down, it will halt for some time and then it will come down like this. It will not give you a clear direction that it will, in just matter of 15 minutes, 20 minutes or 1 hour, it will give you a straight line direction. No, it will halt for some time. Then if you look at this particular trend also, you will not see like this. It halted for some time, moved upside and like this. In the same way, if you look at this particular trend, you will not see a straight line. okay, it is halted and then moved upside, and then this is how it has moved down. So suppose if this particular level sustained, so what we can see, suppose if this particular level sustained, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 18.800. okay, and this level is already being a weakened resistance, so probability is high, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 19.015. okay, and once this level goes upside, a probability of touching 19.588 is there, and this particular level we can see that this resistance is not being tested, so probability will be high, we can see a bounce back. But the next support we can see coming at a very close point, that is around 19.387, so we can see again a bounce back from this particular zone, and probability of touching 20.239 is very high. okay, and if this level touched, then we can see, if level sustain, a probability of touching further upside towards a level of 21.517 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside. okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I have given the mail ID also in the description. okay, once if it goes above to 21.517, then we can see a probability of touching further upside towards a level of 22, and then further high is there. okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Some of the things that I teach in my workshop, if you want to attend, you can mail me regarding that. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1000 to 1500. Risk of that will be 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100 per trade. okay, suppose if you took 5 trades also, your risk is $500, as you know, 100 per trade. okay, so if you lose 500 also, relax for the day. you can relax for the day, because this will not affect your psychology for the next day. So suppose if you lose 500, so you can trade and focusing on profit the next day. Otherwise what people do is they lose so much, like 5,000 or 3,000, they try to recover it on the next day, which cause to lose this particular capital also. Okay, so I teach how to overcome all these problems, how to strategize your trades and exit and all entries. Okay, so if you want to attend, you can mail me and then we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe it. Thank you.